Can you transfer an OEM Windows license to another PC? Imagine upgrading your computer or replacing a major part like the motherboard. Now, you're wondering if your Windows license can move with you. That's a common question for many users. An OEM or original equipment manufacturer Windows license is usually tied to the first computer it was installed on. Specifically, it is linked to the motherboard of that device. This means the license is considered part of the hardware. Because of this, Microsoft's licensing rules say OEM licenses are not transferable to another computer. If you buy a PC with Windows pre-installed, that license is meant to stay with that machine. On the other hand, a retail Windows license is different. Retail licenses are bought separately from hardware and can be moved to another PC. As long as you only activate it on one device at a time, you can transfer it. This makes retail licenses more flexible for users who upgrade or change their computers often. There are some exceptions to keep in mind. If the original PC becomes permanently unusable or dead, some users have reported being able to activate the OEM license on a new machine. But this is not officially supported by Microsoft and is not guaranteed. For Windows versions before Windows 8, like Windows XP or Vista, OEM licenses were less strictly tied to hardware, so transfers were sometimes possible. But starting with Windows 8 and later, OEM licenses are explicitly bound to the motherboard. If you replace the motherboard under warranty with the same model, the OEM license usually remains valid because the device is considered the same. Upgrading components like the CPU or memory does not affect the license as long as the motherboard stays the same. Moving a hard drive with Windows installed from one PC to another typically does not activate the license unless the new PC already has a valid license or is the same model as the original. In summary, OEM licenses are meant to stay with the original computer and are not legally transferable. Retail licenses can be moved to a new device, but only one at a time. When choosing a Windows license, think about whether you want a license that stays put or one that can move with you. This difference can save you money and headaches down the line.